Hello, good morning to each everyone. This morning I would like to share you the topic and second grading. The first topic is polynomial function. Our objective is illustrate polynomial illustrate polynomials. Or what is polynomials? Okay, our guide question is which of the following illustrate polynomials? Do you see the difference? Number 1, 14x. Number 2, 2x to the fourth plus 3x minus 2. Number 3, negative 20, 20x. Number 4, x to the third power minus 3x to the second power plus x plus 6. And number 5, quantity of x plus 3 times the quantity of x minus 2. Number 6, x, the exponent of 3 halves, minus 3x to the second power plus x plus 6. Number 7, 3 plus 2 square root of x minus 1/8. Number 8, 4x minus 3 or 4x to the exponent of negative 3 plus 2x to the second power plus x minus 2. And number 9, 5 over 8x plus 2x minus 4. And then number 10, negative x plus 2x to the negative 4 power. Now, my question a while ago is, did you see the difference or do you see the difference? What is the difference of the polynomial expression or the polynomial equation function 1 to 5 and then 6 to 10? As you can see, class, on the first column, we can say that these are example of polynomials or polynomial function. And then 6 to 10, these are not example of polynomial function. Why? What is our basis? When do we say that a given expression is polynomial function? Look, in number 6 example, the exponent is fraction. Number 7 example, there is variable inside the radical sign. And number 8 example, the exponent is negative 3. And the number 9 example, there is variable which is the denominator. The denominator is variable. And the number 10, the exponent is negative 4. So, can you now give the difference of the two polynomial expression? Or can you make your own example of polynomials? Okay, I would like to give you the definitions of polynomial function. It states that a polynomial function of degree n in the variable x is a function defined by p of x equals a sub n x to the n power plus a sub n minus 1 x to the n minus 1 plus dot 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 plus a sub 1x plus a sub 0, where each a is a real number and a sub n is not equal to 0 and n is a whole number. A sub n is called the leading coefficient. A sub n to the x to the n is called the dominating term. A sub 0 is called the constant term. P of 0 equals a sub 0 is the y-intercept of the graph of P. Later, or as we go on in our topic, we will also discuss the graph of polynomial function. The terms of a polynomial may be written in a decreasing power of x. We say the polynomial is in standard form. So a polynomial function can be written in standard form. So let us now find or identify the parts of a polynomial function. For example, the given polynomial function is 3x to the third power minus 5x to the second power minus 2x plus 1. So based on the definition, the leading coefficient is 3 and the degree is 3. So it is called the cubic term. And then the constant is 1. So this example is written already in the standard form. Why? Because the power or the exponent is written in a decreasing order or in descending order. Look, 3, 2, 1, constant. So let us try this example. Use the polynomial function to complete the table. I will give you an example first. Then after giving this or after explaining the example, you may now turn or you may now answer the two example here. So polynomial function, standard form, degree, the leading coefficient, and the constant term. Example, 4 plus x minus 3x to the third power plus 2x squared. If we are going to rewrite this into standard form, negative 3x to the third power plus 2x to the second power plus x plus 4. Take note, as I have said a while ago, the power must be in a decreasing order. So 3, 2, 1 constant. The degree is 3. Okay? Because the highest exponent is 3. The leading coefficient is negative 3. And then the constant term is 4. Do you understand? Okay. So it's your turn. Thank you.